Have you ever wished you could learn from successful traders instead of making every decision on your own? That's exactly what Invo is designed to do. Invo is a social trading app that lets you discover experienced traders, explore their performance, and follow their investment strategies. Instead of relying on random tips online, you can see how traders perform before deciding whether to follow them. One of its biggest strengths is the community. You can interact with other investors, share ideas, and learn from people with more experience. If you're a skilled trader yourself, you can also build your own audience and grow your reputation within the platform. Another great feature is that you stay in control of your funds while using the app, making it a more transparent way to explore social investing. Of course, no app is perfect. If you're completely new to trading, some of the features and market terminology can feel overwhelming at first. And while following experienced traders can be helpful, it's never a guarantee of future profits, so you should always do your own research. Overall, Invo is an interesting platform for anyone who wants to combine investing with the power of a trading community. Whether you're looking to learn, share ideas, or discover new opportunities, it's definitely an app worth checking out. Would you trust experienced traders to guide your investments, or would you rather make every trade yourself?